Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your media and setting the project ratio. Choose 9:16 for Reels or 16:9 for YouTube. Once done, scan clips and pick 3-5 high-impact moments. Trim each to 3-7 seconds to keep pace and viewer attention. Make sure to add your logo as a PNG overlay immediately so placement decisions inform edits. This saves time later and ensures consistent branding across cuts. From here, move into arranging clips on the timeline for smooth transitions. Now focus on structure. Place a strong hook first, follow with product features, and end with a clear call to action. While arranging, use speed ramps and contrasty color grading to create energy. Speed changes emphasize motion, color ties shots together. Once done with visuals, sync a punchy music beat to cuts and add text overlays with hierarchy. Headline big, subtext smaller. Make sure text duration aligns with readable pacing, and preview at full volume to confirm timing and emphasis. To finish, set export to H.264. Choose 1080p at 812 Mbps and AAC audio for a balance of quality and size. Once exported, preview on the target device and check captions, logo safe area, and audio levels. This avoids playback surprises. If you see stuttering or artifacts, re-render the problematic clip alone at a slightly lower bitrate or enable hardware encoding. This usually resolves glitches. Finally, upload a test post and confirm thumbnail, captions, and tracking links work as intended.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.